Good morning, Dr. Suhaila. My name is Jennifer. My number matrix is 820A1321. Today, I want to present about the business plan of LEBex Logistics Company. 1.1 Name of company. The company's name is LEBex Logistics Company. LEB is named after the three of initials of the founders, elephant, living, and Borges, and ES is the service provider representing this company that can quickly serve our consumers. 1.2 Business characteristic. Our company's business characteristics provides delivery services required by other companies' business in Malaysia. We shall send our customers' products to our outlet stores and retailers for marketing purposes after processing them. 1.3 Industry profile. Several unique business models might overlap in the logistics industry, and individual organizations may operate under more than one model. We look at logistics service providers, LSP, carriers, and courier, express, parcel, SIEP companies in this business plan. 1.4 Location of the business. LEBex Logistics Company is headquartered into Jalan Bukit Badak, Kampung Baru, Subang 40150, Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. We choose this position since it is in a good location and near colleges, tourism, attractions, and corporate buildings. 1.5 Registration date of company. The LEBex Logistics Company began operations on July 31st, 2022. 1.6 Business type. The LEBex Logistics firm is a company that provides delivery services that are required for the operations of other enterprises in Malaysia. The diagram shows the location of the company. 1.7 Business idea. When we founded the company, we thought that smart cars can be good substitute for human labor and that intelligent cars can significantly reduce human mistakes. Our company finds that cars sold in the US must be set to either low beam or high beam, not both or both. At this point, we want to bring these high technologies from these places to our country, Malaysia. For example, we use intelligent cars to deliver bulky and dangerous goods. Besides that, our company also provides premium shipping within 7 days shipping. This service ensures we can provide quality service to our customers. This service just makes our delivery service more unique and different from other companies in the industry. 1.8 Business Implementation Plan. Business implementation plan of 4 steps, which is innovation, implement the organization, determine the critical moments, and schedule the actions to ensure the business implementation plan is completed. 1.9 Future business prospects and opportunities. In this business plan, we will discuss our company's administrations, marketing, operation, financial, and growth plan. The company is 1 million ringgit. 2.4 Core business activities. Core activities is using a smart card to deliver the bulky and dangerous goods and ensure our company can provide premium shipping in 7 days shipping. 2.5 Platform for business implementation. The website we use is www.lebexexpress.com.my. However, for the social media platform we use like Facebook, Instagram, email, and content marketing.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Balkis binti Saiful Azahain and my matric number is 820A17. This is our company vision. Our company vision is we aim to give our consumers the most excellent delivery service experience possible. The mission of our company is to serve our consumer with the most incredible experience, delivering customer what they expect in their daily life. The company objective is to employ competitive positioning to ensure that our product or service meets market expectation or outperform our competitors in critical areas. This is our organizational chart of the company. The Chief Executive Officer is Evelyn Yure, anak perempuan Xavier. Operation Manager is Eng Li Fen. Financial Manager is Nur Balkis binti Saiful Azahain. Marketing Manager is Nadia Edlin Shirin binti Muhammad Aziz. Warehouse Manager is Muhammad Arif Daniel bin Muhammad Amir. Human Resource Manager is Alexander Tan Chahau. General Manager is Brandon anak lelaki Balraj. This is the projection of employee needed. We choose our employee by labor force, aggregate economy, final demand, industrial output, industry employment, occupational employment, measure of education and training. Next, this is the schedule of tasks and responsibilities. Every position have their own tasks and responsibilities, like Chief Executive Officer set the company's vision and mission and implementing them. Next, this is the monthly salary for each position, including EPF and SOCSO. This is the list of office necessity. So the total cost is 72,270 ringgit Malaysia. This is the budget on asset expenditure. So the total administrative budget is 170,528.75 ringgit Malaysia. Lastly, this is the office layout of the company. LEBex Logistics is a delivery service company. Delivery service is needed now because it is easy to make a delivery in Malaysia or from overseas. Our company offers a various advantage of service such as premium shipping delivery and smart car delivery. Premium shipping delivery is shipping delivery that will operate within 7 days for the item to arrive to the customers. Meanwhile, our company also use a smart car for delivery to make things easier for our employees and also avoid unwanted things from happening like road incident. The target customers of company is the customers age range of 12 until 80. The customers that love technology lifestyle since our service use media, smart car and mobile application. Lastly, the upper and middle income group. The target market of company is online shopper. This is the analysis on main competitor. Our company use SWOT analysis as reference to improve the business. Through SWOT analysis, we will know the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of others' company. This is the projection of sales. The average monthly sales rate is 99,459.74 ringgit Malaysia. Possible sales revenue for the rest of the year is 298,379.22 ringgit Malaysia. The annual sales forecast is 1,193,516.87 ringgit Malaysia. Next is marketing strategies. Marketing strategies has 4, which is product, price, promotion, and place. For product, LEBex Logistics runs a business which is do delivery service to customers and have delivery option, which is standard delivery, premium shipping delivery, and delivering using a smart card. For price, the standard price for parcel delivery is as low as 6 ringgit Malaysia. Meanwhile, the price for premium shipping delivery is 15 ringgit Malaysia and the price for delivery using a smart card is 10 ringgit Malaysia. For promotion, our company promote through social media, websites, email, content marketing, event marketing, and public relations. All of this promotion to promote our service to customers. Lastly, for place, LEBex Logistics has several outlets in Malaysia based in Shah Alam, Selangor. So, customer can go to the nearest outlet if they want to use our delivery service. This is our budget of marketing. The total for fixed asset expenses is 800 ringgit Malaysia. Monthly expenses is 3,550 ringgit Malaysia and other expenses is 1,600 ringgit Malaysia.
My name is Evelyn Yere Xavier, metric number A20A1326. An operational plan is a strategy that specifies in outlining exactly the activities of a particular team or department on how to achieve organizational goals. The operational process in LEBex company is divided into two components as shown in the diagram. The first component is the inbound process, also known as the receiving process, and the second component is the outbound process or the shipping process. The moment the goods are about to receive, the inbound process is to be followed. Step 1. Recording and receipts. The receipt is needed to record data in the warehouse management system for future reference and will allow the step 2, which is the load arrival, more systematic. This is because those loads will have reserved shelves and docks to be placed in after the recording, followed by the next step, obtaining real-time information. The receipt earlier will be barcoded to guide the staff with instructions for reporting purpose. Then we make sure to put on a license plate, which is the next step for each item to track the outgoing of the items through WMS. Finally, the goods will be put on the put away process, where it will be placed a particular storage location for shipping, followed by closed receipt. As for the outbound process, staff will start to validate orders, search for errors, and handle exceptions on the spot. After this, the longest part of the operation is replenishment and product picking, where the delivery dates are confirmed for truck availability. It takes the longest time because there are many things to consider. After that, items will be ready for the next process, which is picking, staging, checking, and loading. By this point, items will be processed rapidly due to the existence of WMS, which will lead to the last step, indicating the success of the operational plan, which is shipping and document generation, where the items are sent to the customers and documents are kept for processing records. For the inbound process, the production schedule are as shown in the table. Based on this table, LEBex company received 10,000 items to ship. However, our working days per month for every staff is 25 days. From that, total item that undergo the inbound process successfully is 400 items. For 8 hours operation daily, we managed to process 50 items to be shelved, with each worker handling 80 items at the same time. As for the outbound process, the production schedule are shown in this table. Based on this, only 7,000 items are ready to ship. This is because some items we receive takes longer time to get through the inbound process. However, our working days per month for every staff is 25 days. From that, total item that undergo the outbound process successfully is 280 items. For 8 hours operation daily, we managed to process 35 items to the docks ready to ship, with each worker handling 56 items at the same time. Only 280 items will be sent for delivery each day by 5 drivers taking 56 items. Total warehouse workers are 17, including 5 drivers. Total direct material cost is 35,321 and total overhead cost is 5,000. From that, total cost from the operation process is 40,321. To calculate the operational budget, we sum up the fixed asset, which is 465,560, the monthly expenses, which is 36,320, and other expenses, which is 5,400 ringgit. The total amount of our operational budget is 507,281 per month. Financial analysis is a process that encompasses every financial related transaction to ensure the performance and suitability. Financial analysis contains 3 financial statements. They are cash flow statement, income statement, and balance sheet. Before that, in this year, we have came up with a business plan, and by implementing the cost of it has been totaled up as shown in this table. 5 trucks, 400,000 cash. Smart car, 23,900 cash. Office furniture, 72,270 cash. Machine and equipment, 41,660 cash. Administrative costs, 91,108 ringgit.75. Marketing, 3,550. Operation, 40,321. Pre-operation, 5,000. ringgit cash. Financial plan shows the capital was gained from own contribution of 3 founders, 50% from Evelyn, 25% from Ng Lifen and 25% from Balkis. The income statement shows the net profit for the month 30th September is 955,820 after subtracting expenses 118,658 ringgit 75 cents from the gross profit 274,479 ringgit and 22 cents and revenue 800,000. The balance sheet shows the total fixed asset amounted to 538,630 ringgit and the current asset minus the current liability to get the working capital, which is 8,505,549 ringgit and 53 cents. Both working capital and fixed asset is totaled to create a certain amount, which is 9,044,179 ringgit and 53 cents, which will be financed by the capital 1 million and the divided profit of the founders 955,820 ringgit and 47 cents as shown in the balance sheet table. The investment fixed asset for LEBex is 1.49. The turnover capital ratio for LEBex is 0.09 and the return on capital for LEBex is 0.032. The calculation of those ratios are presented in the slide.